Here's 10 tips for sending Happy Mail. Number 1, use forever stamps so you don't have to worry about postage. Number 2, use an envelope template. Number 3, use washi tape to hold the envelope template down. Number 4, use an erasable pen when marking the envelope. Number 5, reuse your washi tape as decoration on your envelope. Number 6, pens. Pens make a difference. These were not good quality pens, so I had a lot of trouble getting them to look good. These are amazing pens. They glide across your paper, and look at the gloss on these. They are amazing. Next up, number 7 is shadowing. Shadowing makes such a difference. Look at the dimension it adds. I just took a gray marker and drew on the right-hand side of each line. Number 8 is for easy embellishment, add stickers. Number 9 is simply magical. Use a heat gun to erase your erasable pen marks. I mean, watch this. If you haven't seen this, it should blow your mind. And number 10, simply have fun and release your doodles. Leave a comment and tell me which tip was your favorite, and follow for more.